are walking to the train street here in Hanoi, but the walking to there is busy. Look at this. The streets are busy here. And I think we have to walk for like 15 minutes more.
Let me check. 18 minutes.
18 minutes, okay. We will see you there.
It's also hot.
Yeah, it's hot. So this is the train station of Hanoi. Look at this. So here you can get a train to other place. I don't know where it goes, but that's the street we're going to. Looks nice. One day we'll also get in a train.
So beautiful.
So we arrived. This is the train street.
How is this even a thing? Like, how did they think, oh yeah, let's make some stores at the side of the road?
I don't know.
Train.
Go ask them. So it's not busy at all because I don't think the train is coming now. I think it already passed, but look how narrow this street is.
This is cool, man.
This is really cool.
I don't think this is anywhere else in the world, right?
Sorry?
I don't think this is anywhere else in the world, such a thing like this.
I don't know. The street is so pretty. Well, it's not that long. It's just...
To be honest, I'm glad it's not that long. We've been walking too long.
It's just 5 minutes, I think.
I think even if you walk like normal pace, I think it's like 5 minutes.
Yeah. It's pretty here, wow. I really like this part of the street. I think this is the most beautiful part.
Yeah.
But the light is a little bit...
I think in the night it's beautiful.
Yeah. The light is a little bit tripping, but it's really nice. And we are going to wait till the train, right?
Of course.
So,
but that's a long time though.
yeah, 2 hours. Now, less than 2 hours. But yeah, we have to see it, right?
Let's hope it comes.
Yeah. No, I don't think they're lying. So, look how close the chairs and tables are from the train. This is not
Safe.
safe. Exactly, it's not safe at all.
As
Look,
long as the train comes back.
those are the trains times.
So that was Train Street, really cool street. And some guy that was working here, he was talking to me and he said, "Your hair is so beautiful, your hair is so beautiful." Oh,
Like,
guess what?
You look like a Memphis Spice.
Memphis the Pie. Guess what? I did it in Vietnam, bro. So you can also get braids if you want to. Look, this is the street. So yeah, not that long of a street, but it's really special to see.
Guys, we are in a supermarket because the lady from the restaurant were going to sit in a train street. She said that we have to go to this supermarket, and she's right because look at this. Look at all the food they're selling, and it's so cheap. This is not even €1, or is it €1? I don't know.
What?
How much is this?
Let me check. 41.
It's chicken, rice, vegetables.
€1, 37 cents.
That's crazy. Look at all this food. And there, the meat on a stick. Wow. It looks really good. And they also have red velvet here and other cakes. Cotton fruit. Cotton fruit.
This is dangerous.
Wow. And this bakery. I can't see this, guys. Look how good it looks. Bread. Banana bread.
They even got pizza.
pizza. I don't know if that one is good, but. And of course, all the food. Look at these. This looks really good. Ooh. Look at this.
These look pretty good.
Really good. They also have sushi. It's a really good supermarket. Vantage Sea. Fish balls. Ooh. Ooh.
Look, these are frogs.
Oh.
Frog legs.
Ooh. Guys, we are sitting now in the train street, and the train is supposedly coming in 30 minutes. So I had some drink and we ordered some snacks, food. So we'll see if the train is coming.
Got a good spot though.
Yeah, look, this is the spot, and the train will come from that side. So you will see it come like this.
We hope.
We hope, yeah. Okay, we hear the train honk, so it's coming. Everybody's scared. Now I'm scared too, but yeah. I think it will come like slowly, right?
Yeah, it has to come slowly. Oh, I see it.
Oh my days. Look at this, guys. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh! Look it up, guys. Train is so close. No. This is crazy, actually. That was amazing. So the train came and it was scary.
That was a crazy experience.
Yeah, it came like very close, and
The train is really
it came with like speed.
big.
Yeah,
It's really big.
but yeah, that was good evening. We are at another train street, and this is the famous train. This is the famous train street here in Hanoi, and look how busy it is. Oh my days! Think we're gonna just walk, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if a train is riding here, but
It's pretty chaotic.
yeah. All the cute cafes. Everyone's selling stuff here. And people are actually living here. That's crazy. So we're sitting at a cafe here in a train street, and supposedly the train is coming in 10 minutes.
This is the other train street.
Yeah, it's way busier. Way busier. And I don't know what everyone is thinking, but if the train is really coming in 10 minutes, people have to hurry. We ordered some drinks. Of course, Coke Light.
Mango smoothie.
Yeah?
Respectable, respectable.
Guys, I'm gonna put this one on the train rails and get a nice souvenir for myself. So let's hope it works. Here, more. Jerry is going to put it for us. Look at it. Oh, it's there. Do you hear the sound? And everyone is still standing, guys. Oh my days. The train is coming from that way.
They don't care, bro.
No. It's 10. Let's see if the train is coming.
How are you? Bro, the whole alarm just went off.
Yeah.
It has to go.
And I think it will take like 5 minutes, I hope. The train is coming, but really slow. It's really slow. The other one came way faster. It's too far. Oh, there are people inside. Look, there are really people inside of the train, of course.
So where's the train going?
I don't know. Look at it. This train is really long. Oh, I can touch it. Yes, I touched it. That's funny. This is like the perfect timing, guys. We were just eating. And this train is just coming and coming. They're waving. And that's the train. Guys, I cleaned it a little bit, but look how cool this is.
Completely flat.
So a nice souvenir. But I'm going to put it like this because it's dirty. And then I will clean it when we're home.
Yes.
But it was really fun to see the train here. And I think this train street was
Even crazier.
yeah. The
So
other
that's
one
why
was
it's busier.
like smaller and it went
But I
way
feel like
faster.
for first experience, that was better because there was not a lot of people.
Yeah.
This was better for the second experience.